Hi everybody, this is Bhupinder. In this video I would like to show you how to make your own dumbbells. As you can see, I've made this dumbbell and I will show you each step that you need to follow to create this dumbbell. It's really simple and you will be surprised how simple it is. I put an aluminium foil on the top as well to make it more unique. It's made from mortar. It means a mixture of sand and cement with some water to keep us the density. I used two buckets, yogurt buckets, to create the mold, and I made a hole in a pipe, a metallic pipe that we have here. Made a hole to keep the concrete together, and I selected a nice round pipe. Diameter is comfortable in my hands, not too thin, not too big, so I can hold it very nice. And I gave enough space for the hand so that if you feel one side is heavier than the other side, you could move your hand to the side that's heavier so that the weight would be balanced on either side, and really feels very good, guys. You even could do triceps. I mean, I made the bars so long that you could even do triceps with it. I'm really happy with the results of my dumbbell. If you want to make the same, please follow this video. So let's go ahead and start making our own dumbbells at home. So we need a metallic pipe, which I got. Then mark on the pipe for the cutting. Give enough clearance for your hands, and then we start cutting. So we managed to cut this piece of pipe. Feels nice in my hands. So now we're gonna make a hole onto this pipe. The hole, you can see the hole here. So we put a screw through it. We make a hole on either side. Try to put as big screw as possible. You can see both sides now got screws. So this is our mold. I'm gonna put some water first. And so I put some cement. So this much is the cement that I'm putting. And the remainder would be sand. And we need to push this through it and try to turn it around to mix. Mix very well. Mixing is very important Add a little bit more and mix. This is very important. We need to make sure this would be exactly center. So this is how it looks. Now we can leave it overnight. It should get dry and then we can go and forget about it. So one side now became solid. You can see. Now we need to do the same to the other side. It's a bit more tricky, but we would be able to manage it. So we need to make sure the mixture of sand and cement would be same as we did the other one. So as last time, we need to put some water first at the bottom. It helps in mixing it better. So this is cement. And now just a little bit more. Now we should try to mix it. Add a little bit more sand. And mix again. Especially corners, you need to make sure the corners are mixed very well. And I made it more liquidy because gravity will pull it down and make the surface more even. So this is the tricky part, guys. This is the tricky part. So we take one end and hopefully this here the surface is enough to hold it on its head. Again, very important that it would be as vertical, as concentric as possible. Just make sure that it's kind of centric. So now you can see it's sitting on top of each other, kind of concentric, and it's not falling apart because the sand and cement becomes harder, so it keeps it from falling. And it's a good sign because it means that it's exactly vertical, because if it will be tilted in one direction it will fall, but because it's exactly vertical, that's why it's standing still. So if I come tomorrow, our dumbbell should be ready to do some exercise. Here it is, the next day, and it is complete and it's solid. Just grab it and yeah, nice. Here it is, our completed dumbbell. Ready to do some nice exercise. There's one last thing I want to do to this dumbbell to make it look even more nice, because I don't know whether you guys like Greek yogurt package on the outside. We can go ahead and add the aluminium foil to the dumbbell. So basically we're gonna wrap around this Greek yogurt some aluminium foil, so we cut it the length we want. It makes it look a bit more artistic. So we start folding the aluminium foil to make the right length to cover the whole Greek yogurt. Just wrap around the Greek yogurt like that. Make it secure. I'm gonna use super glue. This is the one I use. You just pour in between the layers so that it will stop it from sliding upwards. And we're gonna wrap it with a tape. push it together. So we repeat the exact same process to the other side. That's how it feels in my hands. Perfect. I like the way it grips. It's better than a dumbbell in the gym. Here is our completed dumbbell. It could have been heavier, to be frank. I feel I need a bit heavier dumbbell than this. But if I do more repetition, it might do the same thing. But I'm really happy with the quality. As you can see, feels very good. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Learn how to make your own dumbbells. And if you did, please don't forget to share this video so that everybody else will be able to make their own dumbbells and not pay a fortune to buy a dumbbell. And also, please subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.